Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil, crayon, and marker. Please pause the video and get a pencil, crayon, and marker. Our first word is bed. B-E-D. Bed. With your pencil, please write bed. B-E-D. Bed. With your crayon, please write bed. B-E-D. Bed. With your marker, please write bed. B-E-D. Bed. Our next word is net. N-E-T. Net. With your pencil, please write net. N-E-T. Net. With your crayon, please write net. N-E-T. Net. With your marker, please write net. N-E-T. Net. Our next word is leg. L-E-G. Leg. With your pencil, please write leg. L-E-G. Leg. With your crayon, please write leg. L-E-G. Leg. With your marker, write leg. O-E-G. Leg. Our next word is jet. J-E-T. Jet. With your pencil, please write jet. J-E-T. Jet. With your crayon, please write jet. J-E-T. Jet. With your marker, please write jet. J-E-T. Jet. Our next word is red. R-E-D. Red. With your pencil, please write red. R-E-D. Red. With your crayon, please write red. R-E-D. Red. Marker, please write red. R-E-D. Red. Our next word is 10. T-E-N. 10. With your pencil, please write 10. T-E-N. 10. With your crayon, please write 10. T-E-N. 10. With your marker, write 10. T-E-N. 10. Our next word is hen. Hen. With your pencil, please write hen. Hen. Crayon. Hen. With your marker, please write hen. Hen. Our next word is pen. Pen. With your pencil, please write pen. Pen. With your crayon, pen. And with your marker, pen. Our next word is web. Web. With your pencil, please write web. Web. With your crayon, and with marker, web. Our last word is stem. Stem. With your pencil, please write stem. Stem. With your crayon, please write stem. And marker, stem. Stem. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we are going to write the word in about the picture that we see. Our first word is pen. Pen. I hear 3 sounds, so I'm going to use 3 sound boxes. Pen. My next word is bed. Finger stretch bed. Put your sound dots. Bed. Please put each sound you hear in a sound box. Bed. Our next word or picture is of a jet. Sound dots. Jet. Please write each sound you hear. Jet. Our next picture is of a leg. Sound dots. Leg. 3 sounds, so we need 3 sound boxes. Leg. Our next is a picture of men, a group of men. Sound dots. Men. Please write the sounds you hear. Men. Our next picture is of a hen. hen. Please write hen. Hen. We then have a net. Sound dots. Net. Please write net. Net. Our next picture is of a red crayon. Red. Sound dots. Red. Please write the word red. Red. Our last picture is the picture of the number 10. Sound dots. 10. Please write 10. 10. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. I'm proud of your hard work.